Alright, we're back at Naraha and La Cholla Boulevard.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
That's interesting. I've heard it say traveling east and,
Wait.
I don't know, but this says wait every time it does it.
Wait.
Here's the sign.
Wait.
Push button for crosswalk here.
Wait. 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 Traveling west. Wait.
Interesting how it says that.
Wait. Wait.
Let's see what this one says here.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
It says north.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
It says walk sign is on here.
On. Walk sign is on. Walk 22, 21,
That's an
20,
interesting.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
I can hear it properly a little bit.
7. Wait.
Looks like they scratched up that sign.
Wait. Wait.
I like how
Walk sign is on.
that's interesting. I'm actually going to cross this one to get to the... This one has a 14-second countdown, so this is the shorter one.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Interesting.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
South. This one says
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
west. Look how dirty it is. That's disgusting.
Wait.
That's a little disgusting.
Wait.
The button actually is louder when you press it harder. Ooh, look, walk sign's on again.
Yeah.
Alright, that'll be it, guys.